Sometimes the problem with having your own studio is that you don't clean up at the end of the day. You and me, babe. You and me, babe. It's just nothing else like you. We're ready to go. Hey, everybody. 3 positive things. Positive thing number 1, went to Abilene. And Mom and I went and bought toys. My parents live in Abilene. And we went and bought toys for all sorts of happiness. We planned a time for Mom to come and play in the mud. So I can't wait for that. That'll be in a couple of weeks. And one of the things that those are for is berry houses. So I went and got grape leaves. I love the grape leaves. Went and got the grape leaves. Yeah, 2 days ago. Oh, Tim hurt his back. Not a happy thing. 2 days ago, went and got grape leaves, and I haven't been able to get out here again because I've been taking care of Superman. Really kind of a fluke thing, but and he's doing a lot better now, and he's had x-rays and he's great and nothing's wrong. It's just painful. He went to work yesterday, but today he took a half day off, so he's home now. It's fantastic. But I have to get these leaves printed because they're dying. They're dying. I don't want the leaves to die. Don't want the leaves to die. So, bring some leaves, and then I'm gonna have to get the studio ready for Mom to come, and then I'm gonna have to keep it that way.
All the little bees. Can't really see them very well because of the reflection, but fantastic. Thank you, little bees. It's in this window here. So, my honey, and now, isn't this the best? So they have a vineyard, obviously, but over here, they have vines growing that they don't prune. And oh my gosh, these leaves, these are my grape leaves. This is where I got my grape leaves. Oh, stand up, please. Sorry, the bag didn't want to sit down. They're great. Aren't they great? Good size. They're just, we love them. We love them so much. So I'm gonna pick, and here's some bigger ones, and oh my gosh, we love them so much. So I'm gonna pick me some fairy house roofs while I'm here.
I lost one. He tore. And I was trying to figure out if I could piece them back together, but I really think we're gonna let that go. I have Yeah, leaves mold. And so far, fig leaves have been the worst for me, but these are really old. And I have also found that if you leave the leaf on while you're shaping it, you end up with a much better shape and a much better print. So I don't take the leaves off until it's on the fairy house, or I have made it into its final shape, whatever shape that might be. So, to keep it from getting moldy and to, keep it ready to shape until you get what you want to shape it on, you need to turn them upside down. Turn the leaf around. Turn it upside down. Sorry. Turn the leaves upside down. Just keep it moist. Keep it under plastic. Keep it upside down. And the leaf will soak any moisture that it gets out of the clay. And the clay, and it being upside down, will keep the air from getting to it, and it won't. So good stuff.
out there know why we use 3 feet? 3 feet will always be stable. 4 feet, and ain't nobody like a wobbly chair. People don't like that. People do not like wobbly chairs. So if this is going to be a fairy house platform, we don't want it wobbly. 3 feet will never wobble.